Most of us have experienced this at some point. You're ready to move forward on a task, but you're waiting on a report that hasn't been submitted yet. Minutes turn into hours, hours turn into a full day, and before you know it, the entire timeline starts shifting. What seemed like a small delay suddenly affects the whole project. Delayed reporting might not sound like a major issue at first, but it has significant impact on performance, productivity, and stress levels. According to the Project Management Institute, in their 2020 Pulse of the Profession report, nearly 70% of projects fail to meet deadlines. In that same report, they found that ineffective reporting can reduce team productivity by up to 25%. That means communication breaks down, performance drops, and that affects everyone. Today, I want to talk about how we can improve our company's project reporting process. By the end of this speech, you'll understand the challenges caused by delayed reporting, hear a clear solution to address it, and know exactly how we can implement this solution successfully. This matters because better reporting leads to better decisions, smoother workflows, and less unnecessary stress on our teams. As a project manager, I've seen firsthand how delayed or inconsistent reports can derail progress. When updates aren't submitted on time, team members don't have the information they need to complete their work. That uncertainty leads to guesswork, repeated tasks, and last minute pressure to catch up. Over time, that kind of environment lowers morale and increases burnout. Let's look closely at the problem. First, late reports cause bottlenecks. When one team member delays submitting their update, everyone who depends on that information is forced to wait. This slows down the entire workflow. Second, inconsistent or incomplete reports create confusion. If key details are missing, managers and team members may make decisions based on inaccurate or partial information. That often results in rework, which costs both time and energy. The Project Management Institute's findings reinforce this. When reporting systems lack structure and accountability, productivity drops significantly. Teams work harder, but not necessarily smarter. And in fast-paced environments like ours, that inefficiency adds up quickly. So how do we fix this? The solution I am proposing focuses on structure, clarity, and accountability, without overcomplicating the process. First, we implement a standardized reporting template. This ensures that every report includes essential information, such as project status, upcoming deadlines, obstacles, and needed resources. A consistent format reduces confusion and makes it easier to review updates quickly. Second, we establish clear weekly reporting deadlines and track them within our existing project management software. That doesn't require purchasing new tools. It simply means using our current system more intentionally and effectively. Clear deadlines create accountability, and tracking submissions ensures transparency. Third, we provide short training sessions to every employee so that every employee understands the expectations and feels comfortable using the template. According to a 2021 article in Business Management Review, Smith explains that organizations that adopt structured communication systems and train employees on them see measurable improvements in workflow efficiency and project completion rates. In other words, structure plus training equals results. Now, even the best solution won't work if it's poorly implemented. So here's how we make this successful. We begin with a 1-month program in our department. This allows us to test the reporting update and test the reporting template and weekly deadline system in a controlled environment. During this month, we gather feedback from team members about what works and what needs adjustment. This step is important because it gives employees a voice in the process and increases buy-in. After refining the system based on feedback, we can roll it out company-wide. To ensure long-term success, we schedule quarterly reviews and to evaluate reporting timelines, accuracy, and impact on project deadlines. These reviews allow us to make small improvements rather than waiting for major problems to develop. This gradual, thoughtful approach ensures the solution is sustainable. We're not just adding another rule, we are improving how we communicate and collaborate. In conclusion, delayed project reporting is more than an inconvenience. It creates bottlenecks, increases confusion, lowers productivity, and adds in unnecessary stress. Research from the Project Management Institute shows just how costly ineffective reporting can be. However, by introducing a standardized reporting template, setting clear weekly deadlines, and providing training, we can create a system that supports efficiency and accountability. If we implement this solution through a pilot program, gather feedback, and conduct regular follow ups, we can build a reporting process that truly works. Improving our reporting system won't just help us meet deadlines, it will, it will strengthen communication, reduce frustration, and allow our teams to perform at their highest level. And that's a change worth making. Thank you.